What's up, my fellow Airsofters? Unseeable here, and welcome back to another best/worst Airsoft moments of 2022. As you know, I post one of these videos per year of the craziest highlights, best kills, spells, raging moments, cheaters, and many more. And I gotta say, 2022 was a very interesting year, starting off by getting the SSG-10 from Novritsch. So I converted to a SMG player to a sniper. Took a while to get used to. Then my field got destroyed by a tornado. Yeah, no joke. And this year we actually got 1,000 Airsoft subscribers on the channel. So thank you all for the support. Also, as you know, in Canada, Airsoft is in trouble by Bill C21. Put hashtag save Airsoft in the comments down below, please. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Enjoy the video.
These guys are fucking cheating. We shot a guy, we probably, all of us dumped one mag into him before he called.
Okay, you're not the only one. Very nice.
So that was my first encounter with this cheater the entire game, and he actually called his hit. So while we're switching sides, this cheater actually came up to me and said good shot at the end, but that caused some controversy with my teammates. Rolled the clip.
You want to shoot with this? I'll let you. And you'll see the difference.
No, you're good.
But other than that, man, your rest right there. I know you don't like me.
I never said I didn't like you. I was asking if you were gonna call your hits.
Last time I remember.
The second I turned it on full auto, you called it. So I don't know.
Bro,
That guy's crazy, man.
bro, at the end I just fucking blasted him.
Was it him?
Yes.
Yeah, that guy's crazy. I shot him like 8 times.
But he called
He
that.
gave me the thumbs up and then he started shooting again.
That's funny.
Oh, they're over there.
Well,
Yeah, no, he doesn't.
He's stirring up the pot every time he comes here.
no,
We can let David Ray know, and he can just get
like I
pissed
said,
off.
he called it the second I put it on full
Yeah,
auto.
I've heard
and
it. I've heard it
unloaded
from
the
like
magazine.
a good amount of people. I'm about to text Matt and be like, "Have you heard it from this guy too?" I'm sure Matt's heard it from that guy.
No, I don't mind. I'm just
Yeah.
gonna full auto him.
That's what I did at
That's
the
it.
end. I
I've
got
been
him
being
like
nice,
that.
you know that.
I'm just throwing out there, guys. Like we
Yeah.
can make a thing. Of
You saw when I was shooting. You're right in the middle of us, man.
I appreciate it though.
Like I see, he's causing a lot of issues with a lot of
If
players.
it keeps coming, then we'll mention it.
Yeah, that's
that's
on its own thing.
Yeah.
That fucking guy can
Oh, I just called him out.
Yeah.
Like right to his face. He's like, oh, you guys is both. It's like, bro.
No,
this-
no,
the
no.
rest rate here.
I have
he
a
said-
I have a massive fucking scope on here, and I can see my fucking pellets popping off your vest.
I literally said, I'm like, oh, you called it the second that we all put it
Dude,
on
I'm
full
talking
auto.
right now.
Yeah, dude.
I'm tired of it. Dude, there's fucking tired of it.
Oh,
No, don't call it
finish
that.
this
Dan,
game.
Dan, don't
Yeah,
call
let's
it.
finish this
Don't
one.
call it.
And then it just didn't break.
Yeah.
What's happening?
I want to go have some fun with some
try to-
people.
Yes, sir. It's good content.
I think he left.
No, I don't
Well,
think so. No, he's playing still. Yeah, he's
Because
still
when we
playing.
shot him, he came my way. I said, "You spawned there." I was like, "Yeah, I'm out."
Got you, buddy.
Well, you look at that. Our fellow cheater buddy is talking with the owner of this place. So the ref actually called them out. That's pretty funny. And a bit childish. But, you know, it's a bit annoying when you play against cheaters though. I mean, it's their play style. I would have let him play.
You got me.
Yeah.
Oh, surprise? You just got busted.
Get him, like,
It's okay.
You know that saying, it only takes one BB to kill someone in Airsoft? But no, it's never the case.
Oh, I called that bitch. Bud, really? Oh, damn. Doesn't call his it. What the hell are you doing?
Right side, right there.
Yeah, I see him. I got him.
Thank God he didn't shoot.
Yeah.
Which team are you on?
You dead?
You dead?
Hey, you dead? Are you dead? Yeah, no, you're dead.
kind of like this spot.
You still haven't got me, but you're fucking close.
What did you say?
Yeah, close.
Ah, it.
Okay.
Fight!
Oh, this is.
I can't feel.
One day I'll get a kill with this. One day.
Hi. There's a guy right there.
Enemy spotted.
I was coming for you, bro.
You've got to be kidding me. I was so close of getting my first throwing knife kill. God damn it!
Very cold there, shit.
Let's make a run for it.
Yeah, boy.
Sorry. Shh.
Ah, hit! Sorry, I wanted to knife you.
No. That's good, clean kill.
I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Yep. Hit!
I don't know if that last guy called it. Probably didn't feel the hit because it hit his backpack, or is he cheating?
Let me get this shot. Got him. Let's fucking go. Yeah, I got him. Ah! Oh! Holy shit! Caught it! I caught it! No way!
Oh, holy shit, I caught it!
Hey, you're out, bud. That's dodgeball rules. I caught the BB.
That is sick.
Yeah. Right here on my finger. There's no way, man. J'allais laisser.
Dodgeball rule.
Dodgeball rule. I caught a BB.
Oh, so they're out.
Yeah. That's dodgeball rules, right?
That's what I know.
Really?
I mean, that's what I've ever heard.
I swear. I just like basically flinched, but I caught it at the same time.
That's so funny.
Yo, I hope I have this on camera. Oj, check det där.
Yep, that's definitely my longest sniper shot so far. I even went on Google Maps to search up the distance. So 69 meters. What a coincidence. 226 feet. Let's see that again. Wow, what a shot.
Let's go. Got him. Haha! Finally! Let's go! Where?
Huh? Oh, I was just free.
No. Let's go. Vite, vite, vite.
Nice.
Vite. Allez, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's start, no.
Ouais, je sais, vite. Hey, hey.
Bruh.
Oh shit.
Alright, I'll do it. You're
Keep a low profile and hold your fire. Okay, let's move.
Hey, bud. Il l'a pas tiré, là.
T'étais caché où? Non, laisse-le point, laisse-le.
Let's go. Yo, you wanna take a picture?
I mean, of what? I won't be able to see it.
Yeah, true, true. Okay, there.
Somewhere in the front right.
I'm going here. Nice, John.
Trying to sneak our way closer to the enemy spawn.
Sorry. I shot the ground and it bounced up.
Team
I feel like one dropping it. That's cool. That's
One twist for the juggernaut.
Don't you know who I am? I'm the Juggernaut, bitch!
It is so windy outside that I am in a disadvantage with my sniper, but still able to land some shots.
Peux-tu courir après? Oh no, I got hit. The fuck?
9, 10, juggernaut, neutral.
Damn it, I was so close of getting the jug on our side. Fortunately, I got shot. But you guys gotta give me some credit about that shot, man. That was so nasty. Even in this wind.
Go, 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 go. Holy fuck. Chill. Chill. Pegel, on est beaucoup, man. Yo. On est un tabarnak de gang. Fuck yeah. It's playing foot. Clear. Oh, c'est là-bas, dude. Mais t'es pas mort. Ah, t'es pas mort, dude. Come now. Dude, t'es sérieux? Ok, il est mort. Sorry! Ouais, lui. Il tire comme 3 fois. What?
If you're confused on what happened, as you can see, I missed this person by a centimeter and got his teammate right in the background. What are the odds of that? That guy was so lucky.
Bow.
Oh God. I surrender. Thank you for not shooting me.
What was that noise?
Nice. Good shit.
Bruh.
Oh, she was right. We didn't even see you.
We're getting out of here.
We came back from the woods.
You. Yeah, well, about like 10 seconds prior, one of them shot me in the in my back and like waved, and I'm like, oh, they're being cheeky because they're not playing.
Wait, I shot you in the back first.
Oh, that was you?
Yeah, that was me.
Oh, they said they shot me out of the back just to be funny.
Oh.
Good job for pushing through that side.
Thank you. Trade.
That was a nice trade. Man's hiding behind a tiny tree and it's working, but not for this guy. What a beauty. The man just quit.
He killed me, and I kept fucking shooting me. Like I hit it in my vest, bro.
Yeah, I'm glad that everyone had an experience with that guy because I verbally assaulted him and I had to tell the fucking staff, and I just left and turned in my gear because I'm physically assaulted.
He's just camping with his pistol, waiting for us to move up on him.
I got a grenade.
Hit him with it.
Hey.
I dumped my.
No. Oi. Oh.
I'm now able to push at the last flag and win us the game.
I'm gonna climb. Got it.
That was sweet. Bro, how the fuck?
I just climbed.
How did you?
That's a sheer wall.
Bang. No? Okay.
Goddamn moron.
Thank you.
Ain't no way I just got that. First try.
Ok, il est encore loin, je sais.
Il marchait vers là-bas.
Laisse-le, laisse-le. What? Buddy. Really?
Sur le rebound.
Ouais.
Sérieux? Il tire, c'est tiré sa cabane, ça a battu sur
Nice try. Thank you. Oh. I got him. Oh, hit.
Here we are. Everybody's inside the building during the tornado. We've got to keep everybody safe from the storm. There's going to be a ton of damage. I know it's pretty dark. Cleanup continues. All the buildings on Classic are down. Mostly just a lot of trees that have to be cut up and put away. There's a lot of trees. There was a building there. I think it's right here now. There was another building. We've had a lot of people come out and help us today to clean up the fields. We got groups this afternoon.
So yeah, pretty devastating. A lot of damage to the field. Not only that, my entire cities and homes were damaged. No electricity for weeks. Like 10 people died. It was truly insane.
For the tornado was crazy.
Oh yeah.
Like so many trees here before, and now it's like wide open.
I know. The canopy's gone.
That is fucking insane. Oh my god! Je record ici.
Pas de s'en
Je record l'Afthermath, l'Afthermath. Ouais, hein?
I didn't even realize, but the container actually flipped on the side. That's pretty crazy.
Dude. Look at that. It came right in. Boom. Destroyed everything. Holy moly. Look at that. Yo. Double it. They're in the building in front.
Hit.
Behind.
Yeah.
Fuck. Watch up. Watch up. Yeah, people behind.
Hit. Hit.
Oh my god. Check la grosseur de l'arbre. Oh! Tabarnak. Je veux pas capable de monter. Ok, go. Push.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Damn it, I ran out of gas. But luckily for me, Airsofters are complaining in the background, and the enemy is probably listening to the conversation. I got the time in the world to reload, and...
Tiens, c'est ça. Moi, tu me le passes quand moi t'en vois. Ouais. Ah, je suis good. Non. Got you.
GG's, another dub.
Oh! Hello there!
Oh, it's you! Nice! Lui, je l'avais pas vu! Je l'avais vu tout à l'heure, mais je me suis...
Yo!
Nice!
Je suis quasiment tombé en bas de l'arbre, par exemple.
Vous êtes tué?
Ouais.
Yeah!
Alright, so I just went into the damn swamp, so...
Dude, you're way up.
Oh my god. Okay, go ahead, bud.
Oh, c'est frais, ça fait du bien, tabarnak.
Ça fait du bien, man.
Holy shit. Oh, oui. Ça allait pas, je paye trop.
Yes. Je viens de l'avoir. Oh my god! Ah, poignard à brosse, dude! Ah! C'est un autre sniper! Oh my god! Ouais, c'est... Ah! Hit! Une légende, man. Une fucking légende.
Je fais juste ça, je suis une vraie limace. J'en ai pour 2 minutes.
Hey, medic! Tasse-toi! Yo, j'essayais pas de te shooter,
Yo, j'attends tes balles.
Non, c'est vrai.
Ils sont...
Je viens de l'avoir,
Man removed his goggles when I was about to shoot him.
T'es-tu mort?
C'est fin tiré.
Il est mort. Yep, there you go. This side, yeah. God, this is close. You're not playing it before. Hey, bang, bang, bang. Yeah. I'm sorry. Chest in front, right here. Good shit. Bang bang. Okay, well. Trade?
Man, that knife to the gun is not gonna kill me.
No, I did this.
No, you hit my gun.
I'll get him. Oh, it's friendly fire, bruh. Right in the head. Good one, though.
Thank you.
Sad once again. Actually, I got his arm. It's whatever. We move.
I got him. Thank you. Hein?
Le poignet c'est quoi?
Sur le bras, ouais.
Tellement qu'on a petit, hein?
Ah, dude, ce knife, c'est satisfying, man. Si tu manques ta base,
Il vient d'échapper son gun.
oh!
Ta strap t'a lâché? La déception, là! C'est quoi qui a causé? Un clip.
Hit! And this guy's dead. Is he dead? No, he's not. He has no nipples! Hey, ref! Hey! Dan! 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 Hey, Dan! Move a bit! Move! Hey! Oh! 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 No way! Ah! Come on, buddy. Hey. Okay, okay.
Man, I wish my run cam was recording. It's just sad at this point.
Is he not dead? Dan, is he not dead?
What's up?
He's not dead?
You hit his gun and hit his face.
Okay.
It ricocheted off the gun and...
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Respect.
I got him a couple times afterwards, but it's okay. I should have just full R him at the beginning. It's whatever. Makes good content.
Yeah, I know. Oh, come on, boys. Okay. It's time to use full auto. I'm tired of this shit. All right, you want to go? No. What?
Still didn't call his hit. I was getting pissed off at this point because the entire day this man was not calling.
Got me. Hey, c'est drôle, man. It's just funny.
People not calling their hits probably.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, I got you.
So your mag just fell out.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. Ah, you didn't hit me. It's so close. Please kill me. Come on. A bit up. Up. Really? What? Oh, yeah, nice shot. Yeah, tu le vois-tu? Yes! Thank you. Sorry.
Cool.
You
Taunting asshole.
dude, I was on the ball. I was like, bro, the bullet's going on the right
Yeah,
side.
well, that's it. I don't have a tight bore because I'd be shooting hot otherwise. So I was like, oh, man. On dirait qu'il l'a pris à cœur.
T'es comme, what the Yo, j'étais là de même. Je suis comme, shoot me. I'm sorry I have to end this way, buddy. But I must use it.
T'as sauté dans les mains?
Des mains. J'entends live.
Yep, my damn grenade blew up in my ear.
Hein? Elle m'a sauté direct ici, j'ai rien pour pitcher.
Mine full fucking timer. Pop!
Ouais, mais si c'est un full timer, d'habitude c'est 9 secondes.
Is your note later?
No, it's rust on the side.
Nice,
So
right on.
Okay.
Oh, I was like, what? Really?
Someone's using
What?
bullets.
Very good. Thank you.
Like
You good?
We're gonna be helping out the rental. Watch me save his life.
Got him. I got you, bro. Attention, attention. Lay low. Buddy, lay low, lay low. He's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
Okay.
Yellow, move up.
Fortunately, we get taken out by other rentals.
Someone just left.
Oh, hit. Teammate. Friendly fire. It's all good. Okay. So that's going to be an issue for today. You did great, bud.
Yeah.
I saved you. There's a guy right in front of you, though.
I do understand that, but I can't see him. That's a little bit weird because this jacket is black. It's so...
It's a hot day as well, and are you like fogging in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the annoying part. Yeah, when it's a hot day, it fogs like that.
Yeah.
So you gotta take it slow. And try it for the God grenade kill. Oh no.
Advise not chucking it like that. Underhand if you can.
Yes.
4, 3.
I cut his air.
Does this count? Technically, it hit him. The BB went through his air. All ghillied up in 31 Celsius temperatures. That man is a human stove.
Please?
No, No.
It's not happening, buddy.
Not him.
Il est comme à fond mode poignée, câlisse. T'as une minute. Ok, je l'ai tué. Ok. Yeah. The man is using the fucking dummy. That's funny. Did he say I'm out of bounds?
I think he just said playing the tape is out of bounds.
What tape?
I did not hear that. Keep sending it, bud.
Fuck it.
We got some spectators.
Got him! I got the guy behind the car! Go! Go, 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 go!
Winning.
Woo! Good shit. That's what they were using.
Trying to distract a sniper with a mannequin, not gonna work. What a day. Really enjoying this Ghillie hood setup. Definitely gonna upgrade it in the future. So, hope you all enjoyed today's video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Unseeable, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.